Hey guys, this is Frank's Fry Gamer here. Okay, so today is April 18th, 2020. So there's an important issue I want to discuss. Well, actually, multiple issues that I want to discuss with the MA or Micronational Assembly. Now, I know that I may be criticized for this. I just want to let you know that you have to be respectful about others' opinions. Well, anyway, let's get started. Okay, so the first issue with EMA is that there just hasn't been a lot of activity. And I think that the reason for the inactivity is that we have had sort of an identity change. I remember EMA back in its well, not early days, but its I guess golden age. It was only just like about 2 years ago. I'd say that was around specifically the summer of 2018. Yeah, like the summer of 2018. I remember that there were a lot of hosts back then on the Micronational Assembly Google Plus community. There were lots of hosts, and I remember that there were new people coming in very occasionally. And I think that's because it was just the platform that we were on at the time. I feel as if Google Plus was like the perfect platform for discussion in EMA. Well, it was actually like the perfect platform for it. Well, I think that it was just the, I guess the, identity of the, Micronations that were on Google Plus. I don't mean like on as in, like they were online. I mean that as in that there are a lot of Micronations that had Google Plus. Yeah. So I remember that some of the Micronations in EMA, like some of the most notable ones went defunct since like about last year. I think that what happened to EMA was that it started to become inactive before the shutdown of Google Plus. So EMA had a lot of activity back in the the golden age, and the activity has sort of just changed dramatically, and so EMA has become just hasn't had much activity. Yeah, so I'm going to get to my next point. I know that I'm kind of not focusing on my main point. On my point. Okay, so here's the other cause of the amazing activity. Okay, so second reason why EMA has been inactive a lot lately is because that it has had, well, we haven't been seeing a lot of micronations that are, we haven't been seeing a lot of micronations that share the same traits as us. For example, if you look into the YouTube Micronational, well, if you look into a lot of Micronations that are on YouTube, there are, well, I noticed that they do not share the same traits as us. Now, some Micronations, I think that maybe that some Micronations, I think that a lot of Micronations have had I guess, unsimilar traits. I don't know if unsimilar is a word or not. But they just haven't, they just don't share the same traits as us. Yeah, and that, there is a lot of Micronations like that lately. Okay, so, also I remember, there was, a guy in the EMA who said that, that he thinks that Micronational, how we, it was something along the lines, like, that Micronationalism, the problem with, EMA is that, it's that there aren't really many members joining in. That's because they're just no longer renewing. And I do actually agree with that. Because there hasn't been many migrations like that lately. So it kind of goes hand, I mean, it's kind of like the same thing I am saying. Well, not really. Okay, so now I'm on to my next point. The third reason why EMA has some inactive is because that